grab my leaf chains, let's climb a bike. A girl could feel special on any such light. Said James, you're at my lane, my hat's off to you. It's Vincent Black Lightning, 1952. And I've seen you on the corners and cafes, it seems. Red hair and black leather, my favorite color scheme. And he pulled her on behind, down Knoxville, it is right. Said James, you're at my lane, here's a ring for your right hand. But I'll tell you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. I fought with the law since I was 17, and I brought many men to get my medicine machine. Now I'm 21 years, I might get 22, and I don't mind dying for the love of you. And if fate should break my stride, then I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Come down Red Lane, call Sergeant McRae, where they taking young James A. in for armed robbery. Shotgun blast to his chest, left nothing inside. Come down Red Lane, to his dying bedside. When she got to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He'd run out of road, he was running out of breath. But he smiled to see her cry, said, I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Said James, in my opinion, there's nothing in this world beats 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. Now Norton's Indians greens, they just won't do. No, they don't got soul like Vincent, 1952. He reached for her hand and he slipped her the keys. Said, I don't have any further use for these. I see angels on aerials in leather and chrome, swooping down from heaven to carry me home. And he gave one last kiss and died. And he gave